Ever heard of a digital gold rush? Let's face it, the whole idea of cryptocurrency can feel a bit like a futuristic fever dream. But what if I told you there's a way to grab a piece of this digital gold rush right from your phone? That's where Cash App and Bitcoin come in. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, Bitcoin is a volatile investment. There's a reason they call it crypto. It's cryptic, unpredictable, and can be a roller coaster ride. But if you're interested in learning how to buy and withdraw Bitcoin using Cash App, then buckle up. Cash App isn't your typical stock exchange platform. It's more like your digital wallet for everyday stuff, sending money to friends, paying bills, maybe even grabbing a coffee. But what a lot of people don't realize is that Cash App also lets you dabble in the world of Bitcoin. So, why Bitcoin? Well, some folks see it as a way to hedge against traditional investments. Think of it as a digital store of value, separate from the ups and downs of the regular stock market. Plus, there's the whole decentralized thing. Bitcoin isn't controlled by any one bank or government. It's a global network, kind of like the internet itself. Now, enough with the background chatter. Let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually buy Bitcoin on Cash App? Step 1. Open your Cash App and navigate to the Investing tab. This might be hidden under a My Cash or Balance section, depending on your phone. Step 2. Look for the Bitcoin icon, BTC. Cash App might also have a general investing section where you can find Bitcoin among other options. Step 3. Hit the glorious Buy button. This is where the magic happens. Cash App will present you with a few options for buying Bitcoin. You can choose a preset amount, like $25 or $100, or you can tap the magic dots to enter a custom amount. Step 4. Review the fees and confirm your purchase. Cash App is pretty transparent about the fees involved, so take a quick look before you hit confirm. Remember, there's always a price to pay, and these fees cover the transaction costs associated with buying Bitcoin. Step 5. Congratulations! You're a Bitcoin owner. Cash App will store your Bitcoin securely within the app. You'll see your total amount in Bitcoin, BTC, and the current value in dollars, USD. Alright, so you've bought some Bitcoin. But what if you decide you want to cash out or transfer it to another platform? Cash App allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin to a separate digital wallet. Here's how. Step 1. Go back to your Investing tab and tap the Bitcoin icon. Step 2. This time, hit the Send button. Cash App will treat your Bitcoin just like any other cash you might have in the app. Step 3. Here comes the crucial part, entering the recipient's address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies the digital wallet where you want to send your Bitcoin. Be super careful here. A typo could mean your Bitcoin disappears into the digital abyss. Step 4. Cash App might also give you the option to choose a withdrawal speed. Standard is free, but takes longer. Priority will get your Bitcoin there faster, but for a fee. Step 5. Double check everything, then hit confirm. Your Bitcoin is on its way to its new home. Just a heads up, Cash App doesn't allow you to use your Bitcoin for direct purchases yet. You can only buy and withdraw it. But hey, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so who knows what the future holds. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before investing in Bitcoin, or any cryptocurrency for that matter. It's a brave new world out there, and knowledge is your best weapon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.